I used to spend 2 hours a day on email, reading, thinking about what to say, writing replies, going back to reread the original because I'd already forgotten what it said. With brain fog, every email feels like it takes 3 times longer. You read it, you lose the thread, you start again. So now I open my inbox and 10 minutes later, I've got drafts waiting for me, replies to the emails that need them, and any new ones I send out, they just need a review, tweak if needed, and then I hit send. Here's what this looks like in practice. The AI reads each email in my inbox. It then works out whether it needs a reply, needs filing away, or just a note. For the ones that need replies, it drafts something in my voice because I've set up an instruction file that tells it how I write and how my business works. It does the same when I need to start a new email from scratch. So maybe a welcome email for a new client, a follow-up or a nudge. I tell it who it's for, what I need, and the draft is waiting for me. The drafts all go into my drafts folder, but the replies are threaded properly into the original conversation. This took a little while to get right and set up, but when I review each one now, I can see the full email chain, my reply at the bottom, and I just check it's right. It also handles the tone, the formatting, and even little things like using British English spelling or not adding a sign off because my email signature actually does that automatically. Most of the time I change maybe a few words. Sometimes, particularly with short emails, I don't need to change anything. I want to be clear about something. I don't just blindly send everything that AI writes. Every draft does go through me, and I'm kind of that human in the loop. But there's a difference between writing 15 emails from scratch and reviewing 15 drafts that are already 90% right. One takes 2 hours, but the other takes 10 minutes. And that's what AI does for me. It doesn't replace my judgment, it removes the blank page. You can start this today with any AI tool. Copy the text of an email you need a reply to. Remember to anonymize anything sensitive, swap client names, details for placeholders, then paste it into Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT. Say, I need to reply to this. My tone is friendly but professional. Keep it short. Obviously, you can expand on that. Check the draft, tweak it, and send it. You've just saved yourself 15 minutes on one email. Now imagine doing that for every email in your inbox. In the next episode, we'll be looking at the automations that run my business while I sleep. So hit subscribe and I'll see you there.